Our world is facing huge environmental challenges to replace non-eco-friendly consumer electronics and embrace more sustainable electronic products and manufacturing processes. Every year, 50 million tons of e-waste are generated in the world, with a very low amount of electronics disposable material being recycled. Organic and large-area electronics, also known as OLAE, allow the development of thin, power-efficient, flexible and lightweight electronics based on fuel-free materials. Their usage has been soaring in recent years. However, for a cost-efficient, scalable production of durable OLAE, novel materials are still needed for process optimization. The MADRAS project facilitates the production of OLAE devices by establishing a high-speed manufacturing methodology with new sustainable advanced materials, including paper-based substrates and conductive and semiconductive inks. Novel materials will be swiftly processed into in-mold electronics, a disruptive technology prepared by a combination of functional printing and traditional plastic transformation processes. The goal is to build on an industrially scalable manufacturing methodology to not only reduce device manufacturing costs and increase productivity, but also improve products' durability. MADRAS technology is being validated in 2 demonstrators to show their potential for printing electronics in real-life environments: a fingerprint reader for the mobility sector and a geo-tracking flexible tag for Industry 4.0. Contact us to learn more about our project, visit our website and follow us on social media.